A design was created that confuses the winds on its own. If you observe, all the decks of the Burj Khalifa are not built at the same level. Rather, they are constructed asymmetrically, meaning each deck is different from the other. Because of this, when the wind hits the Burj Khalifa, the rotors or vortices generated behind each floor are also different from one another. This means their frequency does not match the frequency of the tower. This is why the tallest building in the world has been standing safely for the past 13 years by confusing strong winds, whether the wind comes from the north or the south. The design eye of the Burj Khalifa confuses the wind eye from all directions. Normally, the complete design of any construction project is prepared before it is built. But during the construction of the Burj Khalifa, no one knew how tall this tower would go. Initially, its proposed height was 530 meters. Because in 2003, when the construction of the Burj Khalifa started, the construction of Taipei 101 in Taiwan was in its final phase. The height of Taipei 101 was set at 508 meters, which is why it was initially intended to build the Burj Khalifa up to 530 meters. However, it was later thought that a world record of 530 meters could easily be broken by anyone. Therefore, during the construction of the Burj Khalifa, they decided not to disclose the actual height of the tower until the construction was complete. Instead, Emaar Properties kept the world in confusion until the end. In 2003, the Dubai Tower, first named Burj Khalifa, was to be 530 meters. In 2004, it was to be 570 meters. In 2005, it was to be 710 meters. In 2006, it was to be 800 meters. In 2006, it was to be 818 meters. In 2006, the height was set at 818 meters. And finally, when the construction was completed, it was stopped at 828 meters. This was the reason that other proposed projects during the construction of Burj Khalifa, like Taipei 101, could never claim the title of the world's tallest building. Due to these unpredictable variations of Burj Khalifa, Emaar Properties, who initially proposed this project, faced financial problems because the budget they had set was depleting as the height increased. It reached a point where the construction of Burj Khalifa had to be halted. Then, the ruler of Abu Dhabi, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, funded the project and revived it. This was the point. This was the point when the name of Burj Dubai was changed to Burj Khalifa. After Burj Khalifa, many projects were announced and construction started in the race to claim the title of the world's tallest building. But so far, there is no hope that anyone will be able to take this title away from Dubai. The construction of Saudi Arabia's Jeddah Tower has been stalled for many years. Kuwait planned to build a 1-kilometer tall building named Burj Mubarak, but there has been no update since this plan. Nakheel Properties in Dubai launched a project named Nakheel Tower, which was said to be over 1,000 meters tall. Construction started in 2009, but the project was shut down the following year. A total of $1.5 billion was spent on Burj Khalifa, which is approximately 12,300 crore rupees. Today, 8 to 10,000 tourists visit Burj Khalifa every day. If calculated based on the average entry fee, Burj Khalifa is earning more than $1 billion just from selling entry tickets in a year. And because of this, the economic boom that came to Dubai is beyond measure. We hope you will like and share this video from. Thank you very much for your loving comments. See you in the next amazing video.